I hope that the previous part might be clear to you, whatever I have explained to you, and you might have completed your work. And for problems, if you have any problem in the previous part, then you can send me it on WhatsApp. Now let us come to the next chapter, that is inequations. So earlier in lower classes you might have solved the problems on linear equations. So solution will be similar, but in this case, in this chapter, in place of equality sign, there will be the sign of inequations. Okay, so let me explain you this part by solving one problem. So here we have one problem. Solve the following inequations and graph the solution on the real number line. And the inequation is minus 2 by 3 is lesser than or equal to x plus 1 by 3 is lesser than 3 plus 1 by 3 and x belongs to R. This part is very important. Our solution depends upon this. This is known as replacement set. So we have to consider the solution means values of x from set of real number. R stands for set of real number. Now solution. So step 1, if any mixed fraction is there, okay, if any mixed fraction is contained in the inequation, then the first thing is that mixed fraction should be converted in improper fraction. So this mixed fraction will become 3 to 2 is 6 and 6 plus 2 8. So minus 8 upon 3 is lesser than or equal to x plus 1 by 3 is lesser than 3 plus 1 by 3. Now step 2, we have to take the LCM of all the denominators contained in the fractional part of this inequations. So in this case we have only one denominator, that is 3. So LCM will be 3 only. So step 2 is multiply whole inequation by LCM of the denominator of each fraction if any. So this inequation should be multiplied by 3. So 3 bracket minus 8 upon 3 is lesser than or equal to x plus 1 by 3 is lesser than 3 plus 1 by 3. So this 3 should get multiplied with each term. That is minus 8 upon 3 into 3 is lesser than or equal to 3 into x plus 3 into 1 by 3 is lesser than 3 into 3 plus 3 into 1 by 3. Now on solving we will get minus 8 is lesser than or equal to 3x plus 1 is lesser than 9 plus 1. That is minus 8 is lesser than or equal to 3x plus 1 is lesser than 10. Now divide this inequation. This inequation contains two inequality signs. So divide it in two parts. One from the starting itself till we get the starting of the next inequation sign, and another one when the first inequation sign get ends from there to last part. So two parts are minus 8 is lesser than or equal to 3x plus 1 and 3x plus 1 is lesser than 10. Now the only thing which you have to remember while solving this inequation is that x should always be positive. Okay, never make the x negative. If it is negative, then change its side. Okay, make it positive by changing the side. So here we have already x as positive, so take this 1 to this side. So we have minus 8 minus 1 is lesser than or equal to 3x, that is minus 9 is lesser than or equal to 3x. So minus 3 is lesser than or equal to x. Another part, 3x plus 1 is lesser than 10, so take 1 to that side, that is 3x is lesser than 9, x is lesser than 3. So we get minus 3 is lesser than or equal to x is lesser than 3. So solution set here as x belongs to R, set of real number, and we cannot represent the real number on the real number line separately. So solution set you have to represent it in set builder form. So it will be curly bracket should be there, x says that x belongs to R and minus 3 is lesser than or equal to x is lesser than 3. This is the solution set. Now representation of this on the real number line, like this you have to make a line, okay, and on that line a number should be at least one more on both sides. So here I am starting the number line from minus 5 up to 5. So we have minus 3 and 3. So make circle on minus 3 and 3. Now minus 3 is already included in the solution. because lesser than or equal to sign is there with that. So this circle should be darken, and then make lines on the number line in this way. So this will be the number line. Now if in the same question, if x belongs to I, that is replacement set is the set of integers, okay, then in that case now integers can be we can represent the integers separately. Okay, solution will still remain same. Solution, this part you will always get whatever be the replacement set. Okay, now solution set will be, curly bracket should be there, set should be represented within curly brackets only. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. And on number line also we can represent them separately. So like this you have to make circles on the number line, dark circles on the integers. Now if x belongs to W, now the replacement set is the set of whole number. Still up to this part it will remain same. Then solution set will be 0, 1, 2, and on number line you have to dark these circles, means circles on these numbers. Now if x belongs to n, set of natural number, then solution set will be 1, 2, okay, and like this you have to dark then on the number line. So I hope that this might be clear to you, and in your fair copy you have to solve all the board problems, and if you face any problem then you can send that to me on my WhatsApp number.